Here at WHAS 11 and Great Day Live, we have done a number of stories on health equity and making sure all areas of our community are served when it comes to health care. The third annual Simmons Fest and Health Equity Fair is coming up, and it offers tons of free screenings and checkups. Dr. Jamal Ritchie is here in studio to tell us all about it. First of all, Dr. Ritchie, great to have you here.
Great to be here.
This is a super great partnership with U of L Health that we're going to dive into. But first, let's begin with your personal story. Nothing like coming on TV and telling everybody about your personal story, right? I just think it's remarkable. Kind of tell us like how you, where you grew up and where you're working now, and for you professionally, how this has been a full circle moment.
Absolutely. I want to just say it is an honor to be here with you this
great
morning.
To have you here.
My name again is Dr. Jamal Ritchie. I'm a proud Louisville native and local primary care and family medicine physician. I grew up in the Parkland neighborhood, and I'm actually currently practicing family medicine and primary care right in the Parkland neighborhood that I grew up in.
Oh, wow.
And that has been a full circle experience for me, being able to come back to the community that helped raise me and helping to serve them in ways which help empower and help them lead healthier lifestyles.
Why was it important for you to return to the neighborhood and to serve them in this special way?
Well, it was important to me, one, because there's such a need and such a deficit in access to care within our neighborhood. And then also, in addition to the resources I've been provided and the support I've been provided, it was important to be able to give that same support back to my neighbors and family members that help water this seed into the flower I am today to help other individuals with their health, but really pouring back into the community that helped lift and support me to where I am today.
Absolutely, and this is such an important health fair, a health fest that's coming up. How did this come about with U of L Health?
Well, it started with a partnership with Simmons College of Kentucky, Louisville's only HBCU, and with a shared initiative to help support understanding and fostering a deeper understanding of health equity. We bridge this partnership to, one, connect local businesses and health professionals to patients and individuals in our community in need, and it's been a wonderful experience being able to collaborate with them over the past couple of years.
I bet. I feel like so many people don't realize the health inequities that are out there. I think many of us realizing that when we put together a series of news specials, that it's one thing to have health care, but there may be a barrier to even want to go. And in this case, to not even have health care, to know where can I go?
Absolutely.
And where do I even begin? And so with this Health Fest, where is it and how can people show up and get screened for all the important things?
Absolutely. So the Health Fest is going to be taking place at 1018 South 7th Street this Saturday from 11 to 4 p.m. And at this event, we've got a couple different offerings. It's a free event for everyone in attendance. We'll have over 25 local health professional partners, and myself and some of my other colleagues and peers will be providing free health screenings inclusive of blood pressure screening, cholesterol screening, blood sugar screening, and we got individuals from the Brown Cancer Center that'll be providing access to and education about necessary cancer prevention and getting folks scheduled for some of those cancer prevention screenings that they need. And beyond that, we're also this year specifically partnering with our We Got Next program through the U of L Sports Medicine program in partnership with Southwick Community Center to hopefully encourage folks to donate school supplies in support of our youth in the community.
Before you know it.
Yeah.
I feel like we hit July, you know, and it is on. With these specific screenings, why these specific screenings? Because, you know, we hear things in the news about, you know, cancer rates are higher in the African American minority communities. Did you all target specific things that you're like, you know what, we want to make sure that we have X, Y, and Z there? Absolutely.
Within the Black community especially, there are higher rates of cardiovascular disease, subject to high blood pressure, as well as high blood sugar and high cholesterol. So those were primary things that we definitely wanted to make sure we provided access to. And on top of that, being able to bridge and connect folks with the necessary health resources that they need, because our overall goal is hopefully for everyone in attendance to be able to leave with feeling like they're more empowered
Yeah.
and able to make those connections with those health resources that they didn't have before.
Is there a way, like once you show up at the health fair, say you get screened for something, is there a way then to get a follow-up? Like, is there access and care? Because I think it's one thing to say, okay, I got this today, but you want somebody to be able to get that care that they need. Is there the follow-up and the support thereafter?
Absolutely. We're going to have individuals within our organization doing patient scheduling. I'll be there myself. So
Or once you schedule somebody to be like, you're definitely coming back in. You have to come back in.
Absolutely.
Right.
And we'll definitely be connecting folks either with primary care physicians within our organization or with our other local health professional partners to make sure that we bridge those connections and that gap in health equity.
Absolutely. Bring the kids, have a wonderful time.
Yes.
It's a wonderful way to kind of meet those that are serving the community like you. They get to meet
Absolutely.
you there,
Absolutely.
which is wonderful.
It's going to be free food, over 40 local businesses available, and hoping that everybody can come out and have fun and enjoy this event in support of the community and helping to bridge the health equity gaps that we see affecting our community so much.
All right, Dr. Ritchie, it's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much
Absolutely.
for
An
stopping
honor
in.
to be here. Thank you.
Thank you for coming. The Simmons Fest and Health Equity Fair is happening June 29th at Simmons College. For more information, visit uoflhealth.org. That is where you can also find all the information about the different screenings, everyone that's going to be there.